Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hao, and today I am going to be reviewing and assembling the NOUHAUS Rewind Ergonomic Chair in the color mint green, doing a comparison to the NOUHAUS Ergo 3D Ergonomic Chair, comparing it to the chair that I am replacing, which is a gaming chair. And I'm also going to show you my work from home office desk setup. I wanted to thank NOUHAUS for gifting me this chair. I was literally like seconds away from purchasing it myself, and they offered to send me the chair to review for you guys. So that's super exciting. They also gave me a discount code that you can use towards your purchase if you are interested. Please stay tuned to the end to find out more about that, and I will get started. NOUHAUS is a company that sells office chairs, sofas. They specialize in seating. They offer a 3 to 5 year warranty depending on the product that you purchase. They also ship within 2 to 3 business days. The office chair that I chose is the NOUHAUS Rewind Ergonomic Chair in the color mint green. I chose this chair because I really wanted a chair with a footrest. The chair that I was using prior, which is the gaming chair, it had a footrest, and I don't think that I could give it up. So when I saw this online, I was like, I need this chair. And they had the color mint green, which was a total bonus. Y'all know I love the color green. Originally, when I was purchasing my gaming chair, I got that about a year ago, and during the same time, Mason bought the NOUHAUS Ergo 3D chair for himself, and he was telling me to get a NOUHAUS chair. I want to talk about some awesome features of this specific chair. The Rewind has a footrest. It also has a coat hook, 3-dimensional armrest, so it goes up, down, forward, back, and rotates, which is super nice. The headrest is adjustable. It goes up, down, and tilts. It comes with NOUHAUS Pro wheels. This was a game changer for me. It glides so smoothly. Doesn't feel clunky, just feels like you're one unit. There is lumbar support. It adjusts with your posture. It's also made of this breathable, soft nylon elasto mesh, which has optimal airflow to reduce sweating and sticking. This material actually is not the same as the material of the Ergo 3D. That Ergo 3D material feels a little bit more plasticky, and this one more fabric-like. There is a Class 4 heavy-duty hydraulic gas lift, and that is what is used to lift the chair. There's also a synchronized weight sensing multifunctional line mechanism, which helps recline and lock the chair into place. I can recline back on this so far. I'm basically like laying down. I could take a nap on this chair. It's so nice. And with the footrest out, it's perfect. I'll add some more information about the dimensions here and the weight of the chair. It's about 150 pounds, so it is a little heavy. It holds up to 275 pounds. I love my gaming chair when I was using it, but being in front of the computer all day, it just didn't do what I needed it to do for my back. I do have pretty bad reoccurring back pain. I really needed something that was more than the chair that I was using. This just has so many features and adjusts to my body so well. And I love the color. This chair comes in 5 different awesome colors. The other models also come in a variety of colors. That's just some of the highlights and all of the things that's great about the chair. Let's move on to the assembly, where you can see me put it together and compare it with some of the other chairs. Your chair will arrive unassembled, but it does come with easy to follow instructions. You may need 2 people to put it together because the bottom part of the chair is pretty heavy. I was able to assemble it by myself up until the point where I had to connect the top to the base. I would say have an extra person around handy. Aside from that, the assembly was super easy, and of course you can always reach out to them. They have a support line if you need help putting the chair together. I'm gonna build it. You know what? It's actually about the same color as the eucalyptus cadence capsule. Mason's chair and my chair. It's a little bit taller. It has a really awesome footrest here. So this one goes up just a little bit higher than this one. It doesn't squeak. You can move the headrest, you can move back, and it'll be fine. This one you have to like manually adjust the back, and you have these cushions here. Put it up on Craigslist, but I don't live in a very populated area. So I'm probably gonna still use it in the meantime as like my vanity chair, I guess, because it is comfortable. But this is where it's at. I love it. I'm so happy about this. Now I have to go clean my office so I can actually show you what it looks like. Welcome to my work from home office desk setup. This is where I spend most of my time working from home and editing all my YouTube videos. For the sake of time, I'm only going to be showing you my workstation because this desk is actually 12 feet long and there's more to my office. I just don't have all the time to go through it right now in the video, but I'll get started here. On top of my desk, I have a glass with a gold letter H on it that holds my lip balm, cuticle oil, glasses cleaner, eye drops, a nail file, and blue light blocking glasses for those long days spent in front of the screen. I also have a vase that is currently holding some daisies that Mason got me. Underneath my monitor stand, I have an extra keyboard, a mouse, and my iPad stand. This is where I'm keeping my work laptop right now. Above that is my mirror, just in case I need to check what I look like before entering any important Zoom meetings. Underneath to the right, I have my monitor, my personal laptop against the wall, my phone, and my switch. The color palette I chose for my office is black, gray, white, mint green, and a birch wood. My bookstand holds a green fabric journal from the company Rifle and Paper Co., my Lamy Safari fountain pen with a fine 0.5mm nib in the color mint glaze, my Sage Kindle Paperwhite, some Generation 1 AirPods, sticky notes, and my new iPad mini 6 with a matcha green folio case. I wanted to make use of my desk space, so I purchased this pull-out keyboard tray which holds my wired Apple keyboard and the Logitech Ergo M575 mouse. I personally think the clamps are a little ugly. I've dealt with it because it's such a great space saver. Maybe I'll replace it later on, but this is the best solution I've come up with so far. Got this drawer unit from Michaels and actually have a cutlery organizer as my stationery organizer. It really worked well with the dimensions. Underneath that, I keep my paper, hole punch, I have some binders with important stuff in it, and an Epson ET3760 printer. Underneath my printer, I have a box where I keep my old journals, planners, and drawing books. I also have an infographic guide to personal finance that my friend gave me, a better business writing book, and a poetry book that Mason gifted to me one Valentine's Day. This is how my iPad setup looks like. I mainly use it to watch YouTube videos during my day. This chair was honestly the perfect addition to my work from home setup. I'll do a full office tour a little later, but this is honestly my favorite part of my office. I love it so much. Moving on to my final thoughts. I promise that all of these opinions are my own. I was gifted the chair, but I would not say that I loved it unless I absolutely did, and I do. I seriously was going to purchase one myself. Pros: it has great back support, excellent footrest. The wheels are so smooth. I love how silent it is, and I think the mesh is very, very comfortable. I do wish that it was made of the same material as the Ergo 3D, just because I don't know how long this will hold up over time, but it is very comfortable. It is so versatile. I switch around a lot when it comes to my headrest, how far back I lean, how forward I am, my armrest. I'm just always uncomfortable, so I love the versatility of this chair. Only con that I can think of is that I have two animals who shed, and this thing unfortunately does pick up lint. Hair strands will stick to it. It's not just the lint. It is easy to clean off. I just went in with one of those double-sided brush lint roller things and it came off right away. NOUHAUS did give me a 10% off code for you to use if you are interested in purchasing one of their products. The code is HOW10 and I will earn a small commission off of the code. That commission will go towards purchasing more stuff to review for y'all, of course, and supporting my channel. So it is always appreciated, but never forced. Really do hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did find it helpful, then please consider giving this video a like or a thumbs up. That really does help my channel. Please consider subscribing as well. I would love to have you be my friend. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down in the comment box below because I do try to answer as many questions as I can. I think that's it. So I will see y'all in the next one.